Welcome to the MSC Seashore Deluxe Interior Stateroom 13106. Stateroom 13106 is located on Deck 13 midship on board the MSC Seashore. Here is what our stateroom looks like on the inside. To my very first immediate right will be your light switch, which is operated by your MSC cruise card, which operates your lights and your AC as you are in your stateroom. As we proceed further into our stateroom, you will find a sitting chair along with a nice floor-to-ceiling mirror and also a very nice closet with ample storage seen here on either side, and on this side you have shelves and a drawer. As I pan back around, my mom and I had our bed set up as a king bed for our 3-night sailing, and we also had beach towels waiting for us in our room. On either side of the bed, we had reading lamps which work very nicely. And as I pan it back around into our stateroom, you will see our desk area to my immediate right with your mini bar and storage and a TV. And again, here's another look at our floor-to-ceiling mirror and our closet. And our last stop here on this tour is going to be our stateroom bathroom. It's a little bit on the smaller side than what we were used to, but for this size of a ship and for our stateroom, it worked perfectly for my mom and I with ample space to move about. And this will conclude our stateroom tour. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Stateroom 13106.